I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to drop this down like that, then mark off the rod to the length that I need to have it cut off, and thread this piece of rod. There, 2 linkages ready to go. Now I just got to drill 1/4 inch cross holes in the treadles. To make that happen, I have to take treadles off. Don't need the soft jobs on this job. I just have to bore a 1/4 inch hole in that steel plate right there. There's one. Now I'll mark the second. Line up right across from each other, and there, 2 of them marked. Quick shot with a prick punch. And followed up with a center punch. Punch through the 1/4 inch drill. And that drill bit needs to be sharpened. There we go. That's a good drill bit. These holes were drilled right up near the bar because I don't want to have to stand on my head holding a wrench. I want to have this nut go up against the bar and lock in place. Now this one's kind of screwed up, so I'm going to have to go in there with a tool and clean that up. Get rid of some of that weld on the inside. Then I can grind off one flat on this hex head so that it goes in there and sits straight up and down. And I'll do that later. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. Don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.